Okay, so the rest of the book, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you design notes. This is page 2, and I've already papered it. And what it calls for is to cut the papers. And one of the design tips that I'm going to give you is that this is a square that you cut out, and you're instructed to cut it in half. If you have a photo corner punch, or if you have a quick cuts or something like that that cuts photo corners, you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you just cut it in half and kind of pretty much guesstimate what you want to cut in for your photo corners. And it's up to you the thickness that you would like for your photo corners. And this basically just place marks your photo corners. And I probably would wait till I had a photo to put the photo with the corners where I need it to be, because that way you can have any size photo that you want. Okay, then what you need to do is also grab the photo corners from the chipboard and place them in your design. So those photo corners would go here. Now it calls for it to be slightly outside, so you could either put it there when you get your photo, or you can put it here. It's up to you. I actually like it on the edge of the paper itself. I just like that look. The really nice thing about these chipboard pieces is that they're self-adhesive, so you don't have to worry about putting adhesive on there. So this is for page 2. And then on the front of page 2, it calls for having the blue bordered, and then a pink border here in the directions, a pink and a blue here. And I thought as a design tip that since this has pink in it, the pink border really kind of pops out the red part of it, since it's mostly monochromatic that way. And then since this is the aqua, it also goes with the aqua. Another thing is that because of the design tips in the instructions, you have to go back and punch out the holes for the binder. So this is actually part of the design in the book, and that's page 2. For page 3, I kind of redesigned page 3. It calls for a very folded piece of paper, and I only folded it a little bit, and I used the chipboard just to corner this. If my photo was there, I like that overlapping. And then instead of putting 2 pieces of ribbon like the directions call for, I decided to use one of the stickers from the sticker pack that comes with the kit, and then add a ribbon. So unlike the directions in the pack or the kit, I decided to change my page. And so you could see one of the ways that you can choose to change your page. On the back of page 3, these are my notes here, what you're going to do is you're going to put families are like fudge, mostly sweet with a few, and then you're going to take the letters from the sticker page, the chipboard page, and you're going to get the word nuts. And then you would place them the way you would want here. You could stagger them to make it look a little bit more nutty. And remember, the adhesive letters really make it so easy to just place these right on your page. Super quick. So I'm going to make that T go down. Okay, the other thing that I would like to talk about on this page is that I moved the composition just a little bit. And so I kind of lined the circle up with the edges here, and then I pushed this off to the side more than in the directions. So I wanted to get more of a full look, and then I'll use the X-Acto knife to cut off any excess that I have. And then again, I have to go back with my hole punch and punch the hole for the binder. So that's page 3.